Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Biostar brand new Z890 AX-E Pro motherboard. So friend, Biostar has announced a tailor-made for users seeking dependable performance across various tasks from home entertainment and casual gaming to office productivity, and the Z890 AX-E Pro bring unparalleled reliability and functionality to personal computing with built on the Intel Z890 single chip architecture, and the Z890 AX-E Pro support the latest generation Intel Core Ultra 9, 7 and 5 processor and ensuring efficient and seamless multitasking for home and office use. We support up to 192 GB of GDDR5 memory and across 40 IMM slot and PCIe 5.0 M.2 support, and this motherboard deliver exceptional performance from running multiple applications, streaming media and gaming and experience unmatched personalization and performance with Z890AX-E Pro equipped with 16 ADR.MOS and Biostar Innovate Digital PWM, and this combination ensures smooth overclocking, improved thermal performance, and stable power delivery, and making it ideal for both casual and demanding tasks. And the new auto installer simplified setup by automatically installing all necessary driver on Windows OS, ensuring a hassle-free experience with the innovative M.2 Anchor. Installing M.2 device is effortless. Just a gently press Mac hardware upgrade quieter and easier, and smart update further optimize system management by handling driver update online, and smart BIOS update offer a one-click solution for fast and easy BIOS upgrade. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.